We have two airdrops to go and claim. We have airdrop to go and check and important information about a past airdrop that we did collect. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first is the Mantis airdrop. As we see here, stay tuned for today. Follow me on Telegram or on Twitter. I will take you the update and share everything. The airdrop claim opens today. We can go and check already if we are eligible or not for the airdrop. Remember to go and put your Solana wallet address. This is the one that it's possible to be eligible for, as it is on Solana, not on the EVM MetaMask wallet. So make sure to go and check it and let me know if you're eligible or not in the comments down below. We see here that it's gonna get listed as well. It is live on the MX, and stacking also goes live very soon. So let's go and see how this goes. Following up, we have an update over on Nodepay, which, by the way, we are still farming. As you see over here, we are still farming. I'm still collecting quite a bit, like in terms of the points that I have, about 100,000, 200,000 a day, all the way up to 386,000, and now slowly going back down. But we are still farming the season 3. So let me know if you're farming it or not, or if you delete it or whatever. But as we see here, Node OS Desktop is coming. An upgrade that will supercharge your Nodepay rewards will be enabling you to refuel real-time data reprieve. And this, I think, will also go to the next airdrop season 3, which they will have potentially in a couple of months, not immediately. But let me know whether you're holding, whether you're stacking, whether you sold, whether you're painfully holding everything. Let me know down in the comments below. As well as we're still farming, of course, the grass airdrop. In the back end, we are still farming it. I got the Epoch 4 points over here. Let me know your points allocation down below. More or less, let's see how it goes and see if there's gonna be any rewards program. As we see here, I got 5 mil on Epoch 1 during the stage 2, 7 mil, 6 mil, 4 mil. Potentially could be an airdrop allocation. Potentially there's not gonna be any more airdrops. I have no idea for this. We haven't heard the team say anything as of right now. So let's go and see how it goes in the future. Moved you a little bit. Maybe now the camera is better. But next up, we also have the B3 airdrop claiming is live. This is the website over here. Simply go and check your eligibility. Connect your wallet. Let's go and say I connect my MetaMask wallet over here. Click over on connect. If you can go, you can go and see here that you are eligible for it or not. Click on continue, connected. Click on continue, assign airdrop terms and condition. Yes, if you want to go and do it. Of course, whether it is or not, they got all of this possibility to go and do. You can then take out the permission. And as you see here, I'm not qualified for the airdrop. If you are, let me know down below. You can go and stake as well your token if you have the possibility to be eligible for it. People got like a couple of $1,000 people can claim. So let me know your token allocation down below. Somebody, of course, it is not trading at $1, nor is trading at $100, nor is trading at $15. I think it's trading in the cents. As we see here, 2,000 token is about $14. Yes. So let me know. As well as we do have the Berachain airdrop allocation to go and claim the second one today. Let me know if you have the possibility for the first one or not. And let me know if you did claim it or not. You can go and connect a wallet or check another wallet over here. As you see, go and connect a wallet, for example. Connect the MetaMask wallet. We can go and check if I'm eligible for this one as well. You can check the eligibility here. And I am not eligible, as you see over here. Your account does not have any airdrop allocation. But let me know if you can go and check the RFB and social airdrops are now claimable. This is for the social, so everybody that had a bit of Twitter activity or a bit of Discord activity or something like that, make sure to go and check and see if you are eligible or not for this one, which could be interesting to see, but I know the chain is absolutely going down the drain recently. We then have the Ocean airdrop, which this is the OpenSea protocol, which OpenSea we all know. Now, this one is not official from the team, so make sure to please listen closely and do not click any weird link. This is not officially from the team, so please be careful when looking at anything online. There is nothing as of right now over on the OpenSea, sorry, not Ocean, on the OpenSea page over here. There is nothing that says about an airdrop, but we know it's coming. And that did seem like a website. Now you can find it online. Do not overclick it. So just be careful with what you could see online. And as well, we do have the ARITGE is scheduled for Q1 2024 in this moment. So if you are active on this one, I have not participated in it. It's just a new Ari wallet over here, nor I have even downloaded this wallet. But if you did, let me know down in the comments below. And actually hold your horses, because we have the Solayer airdrop, which I didn't know until I was editing this video that you could go and claim it. So the link will be down below. And as we see here, I got myself 11.84 layer. Let me know your total allocation down below. The link will be down below. And as we see over here, I am able to claim half of it, and then additional allocation, which I believe is gonna be later on, you can go and claim it later. To go, click on claim layer right here. It will open the Phantom wallet. We go and connect to the Phantom wallet, and here it is. So click on confirm. It's not yet tradable, it's not yet sellable, it still needs to go and trade. But as we see here, the vesting completion will be on Jan 18, which is the additional allocation over here, which, as we see here, your total reward value, it does seem that a 1 billion FDV, they give you also here, I got $11. It does look like it's launching at the $1 possibility. So this is how they're calculating, more or less at the $1, and we do have it over here on the Solayer page, yes, at the $1. So you can go and claim it, you can go and sell it, you can go and do what you want. As we see, it is at the $1.40, now it is at 89 cents, 96 cents, about 96 cents. It is $5 for me, so I think just for, you know, gas fees, etc., I will go and exchange it directly to Solana, simply because it's better to have some fees laying around. Whether it's gonna go to $100, then I got lost over it. But if not, I just made another $6 or $5, whatever it is. And this one will be claimable later on. We can go to the additional allocation over here, which the checker windows, we have already seen it. It will remain open until 30 days, until March the 4th. And then you can go and claim tokenomics vesting schedule. You can go and check here the vesting schedule with the second distribution, which we do have right here, 40%, 12 for the Genesis, and then it is going to be later on the vesting. Genesis drop fully invested at launch, Emerald card fully invested at launch, so I don't know why those other one are not, I don't have the possibility to receive it, but okay, well, we can go and check back tomorrow on this one. But this is a third airdrop, which, as you see, I didn't really know about it until I was editing. I went on Twitter and I said, oh, I know this, so let me go. Available for claiming, as we see here, it's gonna come later on. So stay tuned for that. Here you got a graph, but more or less count $1 for one token. Very, very simple. So yeah, with that said, guys, again, thank you for watching this video. A little bit of a surprise airdrop. Hope you enjoyed it, and see you later. Ciao, guys.